This video will guide you through the process of replacing the shift lever bracket cover on L-Twoo mechanical shifter. Fold back the bracket cover. Cut off the old cover with scissors and remove it. Insert the new cover from the brake lever side. Use the long handle hex tool to open up the cover and slide it in place. Use the tool to open up the cover from the downshift lever opening and fit the cover, ensuring it's properly in place. The replacement is now complete. Thank you for watching this tutorial.